Hello everyone, this is PhD's Live and PhD Vlogs. Welcomes you to a great issue, that is the how to fix the mouse glitch, graphics glitch and the update glitch which is happening due to this emulator, that is Gameloop. Hi Sahab. So what you have to do, just you have to uninstall, because if going to update this, it's not going to happen update. You have to just uninstall this. After installing this, then you have to go to control panel and just checking the recording yes, it's recording. Uninstall program, then search Gameloop and uninstall. Yes, and uninstall completely. After that, you run command this temp. First of all, run temp, then control A, shift delete, and yes, try again. Okay, some of the files may be there, but close this. After that, run %temp, because it's a temporary files which has been loaded by the emulator. तो यहाँ पे जो नहीं होगा उसको skip कर दो. Then close this. ये close करना पड़ गया था. Then run one more command, that is prefetch. I will add this commands in below description, and please like, share and subscribe. And moreover, moving to the faster version of this, just you have to go to Gameloop official, or you can download it from here. Before downloading it, you have to download VPN, any VPN or VPN download. 3-4 steps I have researched, and moreover I like this Proton VPN, and download it, Proton VPN. And after opening your VPN, then you have to connect to the server, that is the German server. Selecting German server and then connecting it. After connecting it, you try to download from the Gameloop official website. Then downloading that, you open your Gameloop. Okay, it will be slower because you are connecting to what German server. Then yes, you have reached here. After that, select the game PUBG Mobile select कर लो और यहाँ पे इंस्टॉल बोल दो. उसके बाद एक बार अपडेट भी चेक कर लो. पहले अपडेट चेक कर लो, फिर उसके बाद ये इंस्टॉल दिस. एंड आफ्टर इंस्टॉलिंग दिस, just click play. Before clicking play, if you are having the graphics glitch which I have observed in my stream, you want to see the previous stream, you have to select OpenGL, enforce global render, cache and prioritize dedicated GPU. Okay, everything okay. And just game started. Show FPS कीजिए, यहाँ keyboard binding पे check कीजिए. So every option should be checked here, and smart 720p keyboard, and check every option. Aiming is enabled, and steering wheel and firing. This three option should be enabled with this check. Just check it. If it's unchecked, check it. Then reset it and save. After going to the game, start it. And just for the testing, you can go to training mode. Here I am trying team deathmatch, and you will observe that Livica, the new map beta version, has been updated with the unranked arcade, and all the things have been updated and with the new updates. And just we will check here my all the solutions have worked well or not. Just a minute. Let me check. तो यहाँ पे everything is good and 308 ping will go lower because my internet is very good. So यहाँ पे ये देखो ऐसा खेल सकते हो. This is smooth gameplay. You can play after the update. एक गोली में ठार. ये मर गया, ये चढ़ गया था गलती से. So easy peasy, very loosey gameplay. So like, share and subscribe guys. If any problem persists, you can check live page. We are live every day from 5 to 5 to 10. So like, share and subscribe guys. Bye bye. Have a nice gameplay. Enjoy the day.